differentiate y equals 3x minus 5 over 1 minus 2x. Then determine the tangent slope at x equals 6. So here we're going to be using the quotient rule. So the quotient rule looks as follows. The derivative of a quotient of functions equals the derivative of f times g minus f times the derivative of g over g squared. Okay, so we can now plug in the corresponding functions here. So we obviously the numerator here, that's what we refer to as the function f. The denominator would be referred to as the function g here. So if we apply this here, we're going to get y prime equals, so the derivative of 3x minus 5 times g minus f times the derivative of g divided by g squared. Let's evaluate those derivatives. So the derivative of 3x minus 5 is just 3. And then times 1 minus 2x minus 3x minus 5. The derivative of 1 minus 2x is just negative 2. And in the denominator we still have 1 minus 2x squared. So now we can, in the numerator, we can expand the numerator and combine like terms. So we're going to get 3 minus 6x. And then we multiply the negative 2 into the bracket, but we also switch the sign because there's a leading minus sign here. So negative 2 times 3x is negative 6x, which is going to be positive 6x. Negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10, which is going to become negative 10. Over 1 minus 2x squared. Negative 6x plus 6x just cancels out. And then in the numerator, we now have 3 minus 10 is negative 7 over 1 minus 2x squared. So this is the derivative of that function. Now they want us to evaluate the derivative at x equals 6. So at x equals 6, we're going to write y prime of 6 equals 7, negative 7 over 1 minus 2 times 6 squared. And if we evaluate this, we're going to get negative 7 in the denominator. 2 times 6 is 12. 1 minus 12 is negative 11. Negative 11 squared is positive 121.